Welcome to Paint Mines, Colorado. The parking area is very large. It looks like you could put 50 cars in this lot. There's even a dirt road along the edge right here. I bet a lot of cars could park along that as well. At the trailhead, there's also a vault toilet and a porta potty. You're gonna head this way to start your hike. So we're gonna be on the lookout for cougar tracks or dog tracks. This shows the differences. So we'll see. And then this is pronghorn and mule deer. And then there's some interesting history about how the paint mines have been inhabited for nearly 9,000 years. And that the colorful clays that are tinged with red, orange, yellow, and purple hues have been used to produce ceramics for many years. And these are some of the popular flowers that you'll see along the hike. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Welcome to the Paint Mines. And here is the Paint Mines trail map. So we are parked right here at the main parking lot. So we're gonna go up and then turn to the right and do this about half a mile hike to get to the main items that are inside of this park. Alternatively, you could do the big loops and stuff, but we'll see if the kids have energy for that. We mainly want to get into this section right here. All right, let's do it. Yeah, I think I see the tops of a couple over here. I think we're getting close. It's so windy up here.
That's why there's windmills.
There's a lot of those. Look how fast it's spinning too. So it looks like there's a little trail this way to get to here. Pretty windy up here. Feels good though on a warm day. Yeah, this is super neat, guys.
Okay, can I do it from this side? Yeah. Oh, Daddy. It looks like everybody else is gone.
That's the wind blowing through something. Cool.
How do you open this?
Yeah.
Look how these are just completely plain grayish white, and then the other ones are different colors.
Yeah, there's browns and oranges this way, and then there's lots of pinks over there.
Are you sure we can be this high?
Yes. This is pretty cool. I'm enjoying this hike a lot with the family and the kids. There's some neat formations up here. They let you hike real close to them, and then you'll see signs like this that say, you know, fragile area, don't go beyond those signs. So this is about as close as we can get to these formations.
Look at that rock!
Wow. Ooh, that's pretty.
It is real tiny. Well, we're walking back to the parking lot. Only about half a mile left. It was really pretty. It was cool. Very unique. It sure is a nice day today too. It's been pretty windy and the weather's been cool. Not too bad at all.
Are ladybugs all ladies?